Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you in Baldurs Gate 3 how to control your hotbar. So one of the problems you find yourself having in combat a lot is you got a lot of spells, you got a lot of abilities, and having to tab through all of your tabs like this to see all the stuff you got can kind of be a pain in the butt. So to combat this, you can give yourself additional bars of action bar in order to get around this. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, Larry, I can't even like click and drag stuff. Well, that's easy to get around. First off, you look over here next to your enter combat turn-based mode. You've got the ability to increase the number of rows. I think, what is that? 4 rows tall of your action bar to give you more visual space to work with so you can always see more or less all of your spells. And then if you don't really like the way that they're oriented or they're in kind of a funny like sequence, you can hit this little toggle hotbar lock button in order to rearrange them into any old slot that you want. So you could put Speak with the Dead next to Sacred Munitions, which pretty much all the things that involve a skull you could put together in the same place, just so that you don't lose track of them. Similarly, you could put like warlock stuff together, mind control things together. Whatever you want, you can rearrange them how you please. Like maybe I'll put all of the hands together, all the fire together, and that will just be how I like to orient all of my spells. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I've got more Baldur's Gate tutorials on the way. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.